Alright, I said I was going to do some chord things. I'm going to try and show you. Ignore my bedroom, it's a shithole. And ignore me, I'm a shithole. Okay, I'll start by showing you some basic chords. Give me 1 second to sort this fucking laptop thing out. Alright, give me a minute. Fuck off. Hold on. Let me sort this shit out. Alright. Start off with the G chord, the one that you said you were sort of doing. Basically, your 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3, you put this finger, stick it up your arse, you put this finger on that top string, like so. My guitar may be out of tune, so it might not sound the same to yours, because I can't be fucking tune mine. I don't know, but you put your fuck off finger on this one, and then this first finger, you know, the old, you put that one on the 2nd fret on the 2nd string there. So you've got that one there and that one there. So it's like that, like sort of, you know, like. And then basically you're having them two on there, and then this finger, the old, I think that's the old engagement one, fuck that, and you put that one on the 5th string on the 3rd fret, there, see, 3rd, the second from bottom string, and then your last finger goes directly underneath it, on the 3rd fret there. So you've got them two like that, basically, them two like this. So you start off with them two, and then these two fuckers go on them ones. And then, if you look, I'll zoom in with my optical zoom. And sort of try and show you. It's quite hard to show you because it's fucking shit, but. And then basically that's your old G chord. Then you play all the strings. I mean, I've got loads of fucking effects on the same shit. Basically, that's a G chord. You know. See, that G chord there is the main chord for that song by Greenday you were talking about. You see, I said about them two top ones here, that one there and that one there, above it but on the other fret. If you play the 1st string, you play that twice with your fingers here. Play the 1st string twice, and then your 4th and 5th string, I can't really zoom in, but your 4th and 5th string, you basically play the first string with these fingers here twice, and then your 4th one and your 3rd one. So you go. 1 minute, I'm fucking up now, hold on. Then when you've got the G, when you should have, I said about just them two fingers, but when you're doing that bit I said on the 1st and 4th and 3rd string, you may as well just keep the G chord on there because you need these other two notes anyway. So just do the G chord, which I just showed you. Play the 1st, 4th and 3rd string, but you play the 1st string. I'm getting fucking confused here. Now you play the 1st string twice, and then your 4th string and your 3rd string with that G chord. So you go, and then you do that bit twice. Then, when you're getting into the main intro of that song, because you know, if you listen to that song, it starts off, it goes, then it goes, then it goes. Sorry, hold on, then it goes. Oh, fuck that bit up. But you see where I'm coming from. Right, yeah, to play that main verse, you keep that G chord on there. It's the only chord that we've learnt. And you play. Oh, what is that? You play the first string, this first top string, twice. You go, and then you go straight on to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth string, and the fourth string, and the third string. So you basically go first string twice, fifth string, fourth string, third string. Well, actually, you're supposed to play the third string twice, I think, as far as I can hear. Well, actually, 3 times. So, first string with that G chord, first string, fifth string, fourth string, third string. I think it's either twice or 3 times. Just experiment with it. To play the next bit of the thing, because obviously it goes with that G chord. It goes. There's another chord which I'll show you. Basically, it's the same sort of thing you're doing. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go on to the next chord, and you basically do the same. You go. Sorry, wait. You go. Then you do the other chord. So basically, the next chord, I don't actually know what the fuck this next chord is called, because I just know them, but I think it's something like a D sus4 or something, I don't bloody know. But this next chord is same sort of top things as the G chord, but you move them below, like so. See, from there, from here, from there, move them down. See, from there to there. Bup, 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 bup. Then, so basically you're moving for the next chord, you're moving them down, which is on the second, this fuck off finger goes on the third, no, it goes on the third fret on the second string, and this, the old finger goes on the third string on the second fret, and then this last finger goes on your fifth string on the third fret. Okay, so once you've done that, so you've got to move. This is what I mean. You might take practice from going from where it's not that bad, but it'll take practice from going from that to the next chord. But once you've got it, you've got the first verse. The next verse, you've got to put them obviously together once you've got it. But once you've got that one, you move onto that next chord, and you play that note there, the second string. You play that twice, and then you play the fifth one, that finger there. You know, your last one. You play that, and you play the fifth string, and then the fourth string, and then the third string a couple of times again. It's the same picking as that chord. The first one we done. You know, twice, once, a couple of times. You know, so you're going second string, fifth string, fourth string, third string, okay, so basically what you've got so far is and the next one is you can do what you've got is you've got a D chord. If you look up on the internet what a D chord is, it's look up on. Alright, I'll explain to you what a D chord is, but you don't have to do a D chord. You do a D sus something, which means you take off one of the notes, so it's easier for you. So what you want is it goes on to like this D fucking chord thing. You go you put this finger on the fourth string on the second fret, and this finger here, so using that finger and that finger, rock, you putting that one there on the fourth string on the second fret, and then that third finger is going on the string below it, the fifth string on the third fret. So it's basically like that. It's best to use these two fingers. You can use these two fingers, but it's probably easier for the change, you know, when you're changing chords, to use them ones. So you've got there and there. Basically, it's that first one, the fourth string on the second fret, and then that third finger is basically one fret below on the next string. And then basically you do exactly the same thing, you know, twice, once, twice, on starting from the on the second string. So you're going. Wait, hold on. Give me one second. I'm getting fucking lost here. Okay, you know, ignore that. Right, you've got the D. You've got that chord I've just told you. You then, for the next verse, you're playing the third string. You're playing the third string twice. You're going, hold on. Hold on a minute. Right, you're playing the third string twice, and then you're going third string twice, and then you go into the fifth string. So you're going 1, 2, fifth string, and then fourth string, and then back to the third string twice. Oh, three times. Sorry, 3 times. So you're going. So then all together, you've got the main verse. You know the. I can't sing, but you know what I'm on about. Alright, it's probably shit, and I'm not very good at giving guitar lessons, but look at them cables hanging out of my cupboard. Yeah, it's probably shit, but you know, if you've got any questions, just ask me. Take care, mate, yeah?